Puppet Storytime is a captivating and interactive way to engage your baby's imagination and encourage early literacy skills. Using hand puppets to tell stories brings narratives to life in a way that is visually stimulating and emotionally engaging for young children. This activity not only captures their attention but also promotes imaginative thinking, language development, and emotional understanding. Let's explore how you can create a magical puppet storytime experience for your baby. Activity: Puppet Storytime. Materials needed: hand puppets representing various characters or animals. These can be store-bought or homemade. A simple story or nursery rhyme that is suitable for your baby's age and attention span. Steps for engagement: 1. Choose your story. Select a short story or nursery rhyme that is engaging and age-appropriate. Familiar tales with repetitive phrases or rhymes are particularly effective. 2. Introduce the puppets. Before starting the story, introduce each puppet character to your baby. Give each character a distinct voice or mannerism to make them more memorable and engaging. 3. Animate the story. Use the puppets to act out the story, making sure to use expressive voices and movements. Engage with your baby by making eye contact and directing some of the puppets' actions towards them. 4. Encourage interaction. Invite your baby to touch and explore the puppets before or after the story. For older babies, you can encourage them to help the puppets talk or interact with each other. Benefits: a language development. Listening to stories and watching puppets speak introduces babies to new vocabulary and sentence structures, enhancing their language skills. An emotional connection. Puppets can express emotions vividly, helping babies to recognize and understand different feelings. A sensory stimulation. The visual and tactile aspects of puppet storytime stimulate your baby's senses, aiding in their overall sensory development. A creative and imaginative play. Watching stories come to life through puppets encourages imaginative thinking and creativity from an early age. Tips for a successful puppet storytime. Keep the storytime session short to match your baby's attention span, ensuring they stay engaged throughout. Be animated and expressive with the puppets to captivate your baby's interest and convey the story's emotions effectively. Use a variety of puppets over time to introduce your baby to different characters and stories, broadening their experience. Incorporate interactive elements into the story, such as songs, sounds, or simple questions, to make the experience more engaging. Dive into the enchanting world of puppet story time to spark your baby's imagination, nurture their language development, and enjoy precious moments of connection and wonder. For more creative storytelling ideas and educational activities, visit www.parentinggenie.com.au. Explore our resources designed to support you in fostering a love of stories and imaginative play in your child's early years.